guys, it's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and today I have a package from a fabric company called Lamb and Loom. Now this is the second time that I have ordered from them, and I was really impressed with them the first time. It's just a small fabric shop. I don't know if they have a physical store or not, but I ordered from their online store, obviously. So let's find out what's inside. All right. Now they were having a pretty big sale. So there were a lot of different remnants and other various things on sale. And I think I stuck primarily to the remnants with a little bit of yardage added in. Oh, I really like some of these. Okay. So first, this one was, I believe, a 2-yard remnant. And I was looking to see if I had the hearts upside right, because they're upside down on my side. But it's kind of like a crew sort of color. And then it has little pinkish coral colored hearts on it. And I thought this would be great as a background fabric. I'm not sure what quilt to go with yet, but ooh. Okay, so this is a little bit different than what I expected. Oh, and I should say that this one is by Layla Boutique from Moda. So, in case you're interested. And this one is an art gallery fabric. And I just thought the coloring on this was so pretty. And it has kind of little, they kind of resemble little abstract mountains, is what I would call them. And it's definitely, try and think of the color. It's like a pumpkin color. It's a more muted pumpkin color. It's not quite as bright orange as it looks on camera, but also very, very pretty. Ooh, now this one, another art gallery. And I have had my eye on a couple fabrics from this line for a while now. So when I saw them very steeply discounted, I thought these would look so pretty in a quilt, especially with that kind of pumpkin-y one. Look at those together. Don't those look nice? Try and back it up a little bit so you can see them better. Don't those look pretty together? Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you're enjoying this video. All right. And then this one is, oh, okay, so this is actually cut into 2 pieces. I did not expect that. That's okay. Again, if I'm using it in a quilt, then I'm going to be cutting it up anyway, so no problem there. This is the same fabric as the previous one. It's just the white background, the white colorway. So those ones are definitely going to all go together. Now this, I think this is the, well, and then I pick it up and I see the fabric underneath it. I was going to say I think this is the one that I was most excited about, but it's probably this one and the one beneath it. I really, really loved this when I saw it. It is just so pretty. I love everything about it. The pinks, the orangey, the pumpkin-y orange, the books, the flowers. Oh, and of course, this is out. If I can say anything, I can't talk today. I'm just tongue-tied. you ever have a day like that? So this is art gallery as well, and the line is called Bookish. And it is just so pretty. I love that. And then this one, this looks really pretty next to the Bookish one. But this one is Ruby Star Society. And again, this is one that I have had my eye on for a long time. And when I saw it on sale, I just had to grab it. It's so pretty. It is kind of an off-white background, and then it has these beautiful, beautiful rose gold flowers all over it, and it's metallic. So, which the older metallic fabrics really weren't that nice to feel, but the newer ones, they're almost exactly like a regular fabric. It's just that, you know, they have that little bit of glitter to them, and I love it. Not glitter. We don't want any little bits of glitter rolling around, but you know what I mean. That little bit of sparkle. Oh, wow. Okay. So next I have this, which is definitely more mustard in person, but I just love quilt stars, and I love the ones that look like this have almost like a Native American kind of a feel to them, which I really like. So that's really cool too. All right. Next, I thought this one was really nice. And this is cool too, because now that I'm looking at it, it has little flecks, like it's a natural, unbleached fabric. And I really enjoy that. I think that's very pretty. And the color is just superb. And I found another one of those in a different color with the little quilt looking stars, orange stars. I'm not sure what you call them. I wonder what she calls them. This is Ruby Star Society, and it just says heirloom. So I suppose they're supposed to be quilt stars of some type. And the name on this one, oh, this is also heirloom by Ruby Star Society, but this has a different feel to it than most Ruby Star Society. It's, I don't know, it's just a more natural kind of textured feel to it, like you would expect from a fabric that is unbleached. Ooh, I can't believe how many there are here. This was a score. So this is another art gallery, I believe. And again, I just thought this was so pretty. And it is also from the Bookish line. All right. I'll have to put those two together. And got another art gallery. And I thought this one was cool because it kind of looks like stitches almost. Like hand stitches. I thought it was cool. And again, art gallery. I think this is all art gallery and Ruby Star. Well, I say that, but I think one of them was Moda in the beginning, right? Yeah, one of them was Layla Boutique. Oh, okay. And last but not least, this is that same print as the lavender one, but it is on a natural background. And again, it has kind of that flecked look, like it's unbleached cotton. Hopefully that's picking up some in the camera. And then all of the printing on it all of these little triangles and little stars or suns or whatever they are in a rose gold metallic, which, oh, I adore it. I kind of wish I would have bought more. Again, I was planning to use this as a background fabric in a quilt, and oh, I could just blow through a whole bolt of this stuff. It's so pretty. Very nice. All right. Oh, and there was a little, she put a little card in here that says the name of her company. And then it says that it was packed with love, especially for me. Yep, especially for Chantel, packed with love by the Loom and Lamb team. I think that's such a sweet little touch. And that's it. That was a lot. I'm very excited about that. Well, thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed seeing my fabric haul. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.